Last night I had a dream and a tilapia swam up to me in my ear and said, hold on, Mr. Aquaponics God, if you don't get in there in that nursery and clean up all that mess, all your fish are gonna bite the dust. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get in here, man. I need to clean up this mess in here. It's been bothering me. Got stuff all over the place and I wanna get it clean and looking organized. So we're gonna step in here real quick and finish that right now. Also, make sure it didn't come true. I had to check, come in here and make sure it didn't come true. Make sure the fish are still alive. Here they go, check them out, starving, of course you guys see. Everybody's starving, begging. So you see all the mess in here, man. I got meters all over, I got tools, trash, all this stuff all over the place, man. So I'm gonna get in here and clean this up, get it organized, and get it prepared for the people. Got it cleaned up in here. Boom. You know, a little decent job. Nothing too crazy. You know, gotta be looking decent. So now what I want to do, now that we got that taken care of, I want to get over here to this, boom, this pH controller here. And I need to calibrate it. I've been waiting for these little calibration solutions to come through so I can recalibrate the actual probe on here, and I had to buy a new one on here as well, so I had to replace that. I'm gonna calibrate that and get this set up right now. All right, we just finished the 2-point calibration on this meter. We have the 4.0 and then the 7.0. You gotta calibrate them both. Right now the probe is inside of the 4.0 solution, and we finished calibrating that. So now we can stick this on the system, and then this will be continuously monitoring the pH, because that's going to be very important, very, very important for us to have continuous monitoring of the pH. So we're going to stick this on the system right now. All right, got it hooked up, placed it right here on the sump tank. pH right now is about 7.6. Let me see what else. Temperature in here is about 73 degrees Fahrenheit, 23 degrees Celsius. So it also has a temperature probe on here, which is this thing right here. Boom. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna do one more thing before I get out of here right now. I wanna add this light over here where I'm gonna be placing the seedlings. I'm gonna be growing the seedlings out right there in that area right the heck there. So I wanna put the lights, I got some lights here. Some T5 lights. Boom. Slide those over here. And we're gonna put these right in between here. See if we got enough room. Can we fit? Oh, we might barely make it. Let's check it out.